Hello, this is probability part 2. In part 1, we saw the foundation, the fundamentals, the basis of probability. We saw the meaning of probability. We also treated what is called probability line. And that probability line is very, very fundamental to understanding probability. I will encourage you find time to check out that video. It is very, very important. Having said that, in this video, we shall be solving probability problems, starting with simple ones, as we make progress in understanding and solving problems in probability. As I said in the first video, probability is a very broad topic, but we shall be dealing with it step by step. And before you know it, you become very good in solving probability problems. Now, let's get straight into solving these problems. In this video, we shall be looking at 4 examples, and that will do for this video. So example 1 says, you have a total of 8 tennis balls in a bag, and they are all red. They are all red. If you pick one without looking, just dip your hand in the bag and pick one without looking, how likely is it that you pick a blue ball? In the first video, we saw that if something must happen, then we say it is certain. If something cannot happen, we say it is impossible. If it is possible, but the chances are slim, we say it is unlikely. If it is possible and the chances are very high, we say it is likely. So in this question, how likely is it to pick a blue ball? To start with, is it possible? The answer is no, because all the 8 balls in the bag are red. So you cannot pick a blue ball from a bag that contains only red balls. So for this problem, the answer is very simple. The correct option is D, impossible. So we have example 2. In example 2, everything remains the same, but we have changed the question from blue ball here to red ball. How likely is it that you pick a red ball? If the balls in a bag are all red, if you pick a ball without looking, definitely you will pick a red ball, since all the balls in the bag are red. So how likely is it that you will pick a red ball? Is it likely? Yes. In fact, it is certain. You are sure that it must be a red ball, because only red balls are in the bag. So the answer for this number 2 or example 2, the correct option is A, certain, meaning we are sure to pick red ball. So here in example 3, you have a total of 13 pens in a bag. 2 are black. 2 of these 13 pens are black, and the rest are yellow. That is 13 minus 2, which is 11. So 2 are black, 11 pens in the bag are yellow. If you pick a pen from the bag without looking, another word for that is picking at random. Picking at random in probability means picking without looking inside the bag. It means picking without looking. That is picking at random. Whether your eyes are closed or you're looking away from the bag. If you pick a pen without looking, how likely is it that you will pick a black pen? Is it possible to pick a black pen? Yes. But is the possibility high? The possibility is not high. is very slim, very small. Why? Because out of 13 balls, only 2 are black. If you dip your hand in that bag, it's very possible to pick one of the 2 black balls. Very possible. But the chances are slim. The chances are small. In such case, we say that it is unlikely. Just as we saw in part 1 of probability. When something can happen, but the chances are small, we say it is unlikely. It is possible to pick a black pen from this bag, but because the number of the black pen compared to the number of the yellow pen are very small, we say it is unlikely. So the correct answer, the correct option for this is C, unlikely. And lastly, let's look at number 4. So in example 4, the question remains, I just change here from black to yellow. Of course, yellow pens are 11 in number and the black pens are just 2 in number. So, and because the chances are high, the likelihood or the possibility of picking a yellow pen when you dip your hand in that bag is very high. So we say the correct option is B, meaning that not only is it possible, but the chances are high. So I believe with these 4 examples so far that we are getting a good understanding of probability. In our next videos, we shall begin to solve higher problems and other aspects of probability. Please, if this video has helped you in any way, like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also share this video to friends and loved ones so that YouTube will make this video to reach more people. Till next time, thank you so much for watching.